Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here is showing how to add a 5 petals flower when you are crocheting a blanket. First of all, make 2 double crochet. We will crochet the flower between these 2 stitches. Next, make 2 chains. Then, into the second stitch, make 2 double crochet. Next to chains. Then slip into the same space. Now we get the first flower petal. Next, chain 2. Make 2 double crochet into the same space. Next to chains, and slip into the same space. It's the second flower petal. Now the third petal. Into the space as the video. I don't know how to describe it exactly. Please watch the video carefully. Make 1 petal into this space. Make 2 double crochet and 2 chains. Slip back into the same space. That's the third petal. Next, chain 2 into the first double crochet space. Make the fourth and fifth petal. Next, the fifth petal. Now we get the lovely flower.